beautiful people, I'm Chef Lopez and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple spatchcook chicken with my secret marinade with garlic, thyme, honey. It's going to be served with roast potatoes, garlic aioli. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Lopez, Instagram chef.lopez. Like, share, comment, and let's do this. Right, let's get this started. So take a quick sneak peek at the ingredients section. You can also find in the description section below. What you need for this is 1 whole chicken, lemon, garlic, some thyme, some chicken seasoning, smoked paprika or cayenne pepper, and some cracked black pepper. The actual amounts is on the ingredients section, so just take a quick sneak peek there. So all you want to do is you want to take the wings off. You could use this for stock, or you could just roast them and eat them. Take the ends of the legs off. It's not 100% necessary, so don't worry about it too much. And then we're going to cut the bone on the back of the chicken. You can use a knife or scissors. I'm going to show you both ways. So I'll do with the scissors. So you just want to go on the outside of the bone, just follow it down, run down the side of it. And now with a knife you just want to give it a bit of force, and with the back of your palm just hit the back of the knife. The easiest way is obviously doing it with scissors. Then spread the chicken out flat and put pressure on it, so you're breaking all the bones inside. Now we're going to make the marinade for the chicken very easily. So we're going to take the skin off the lemon. Make sure you don't leave none of the white stuff on there, because it'll make it bitter. Peel the garlic. You don't need to crush it or chop it. It doesn't matter for this, because we're going to put it into a blender. For the chili, entirely up to you. I put half a chili because I don't want it to overpower the rest of the dish. I don't want the spice to come out too much where you can't taste the rest of it. So put a whole lemon in there, 2 garlic cloves, half a bunch of thyme or a quarter bunch of thyme, 1 tablespoon of honey, and half a chili. Then we're going to put olive oil or vegetable oil if you like. Put it in a blender and blitz everything together till you get a nice puree. So this is the consistency you want. You want it to be able to go on top of the chicken and you just nicely spread it on there. So now we're going to put the rub. So the spices we mixed earlier on, we're going to rub it onto the chicken. This is just going to give it extra depth of flavor. Again, it's not necessarily, you don't have to do the spice rub if you don't want to. You can skip this step and just go straight to the marinade. Make sure you cover the whole chicken with a marinade. When it cooks, everything's gonna go into the skin. It's gonna make it crispy. It's gonna give a really beautiful flavor. So now I'm gonna show you how to make the roast potatoes. These are like the patatas bravas, which we have in Spain, which is like roasted potatoes with a spicy sauce. We're gonna make a garlic aioli. Very simple to make, and it's very tasty. It'll go very well with this dish. So just cut them into cubes, put them into a bowl of water till you're ready to boil them. Into cold water. It's very important when you do potatoes, you put them from cold. So fun fact, with root vegetables you always want to do from cold water, and from vegetables that you use from above the ground like broccoli, cauliflower, you do from hot boiling water. So now we're going to make our aioli. You want to use 1 egg yolk, 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to use white wine vinegar, a tablespoon of mustard. If you don't want to use mustard, get some bread. You take the inside of the bread out and soak it with vinegar and put it inside. That will help it to get the thickness to like a mayonnaise consistency. Now we're going to make a very quick chimichurri to go on top of the chicken. So we're going to use coriander and parsley, chop it down, white onions, garlic, spring onions. Spring onions aren't necessary. If you don't have it, don't worry too much about it. We're going to use olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil of course, honey or maple syrup, white wine vinegar, good quality. Otherwise, use lemon juice. A tiny bit of chili. Again, I would suggest use fresh chili if you like. Spiciness is entirely up to you how much you want to put in there. Give it a taste. If you're happy with it, leave it as it is. Now for the roast potatoes, we've boiled them and made them soft. Then we drain the water out, give it a good toss so they flake. Then you want a really hot roasting tray with oil and add the potatoes inside. Beautiful. Now the chicken's looking amazing. It's got a really good color to it. This is exactly the color you want. You want it to get that nice dark color just before it starts to burn. You don't want it to burn, so you have to be very careful that it don't burn. Add your chimichurri on top. Just like this. Beautiful. Super simple. Now for the roast potatoes, they're nice, they're crispy, they're fluffy. So they're fluffy in the inside, crispy on the outside. A little bit of paprika, aioli, and another thing that goes really well with it is sriracha. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm Chef Lopez. Thank you for watching this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Chef Lopez, Instagram chef.lopez. If you'd like to learn how I made my Nando's rice, please leave a comment below and I'll send you the recipe. It's super easy and it goes very well with this dish. Thank you very much and I'll see you soon.